All right, good morning and welcome to Master Talker online class. You will not believe that the time here is 2:32 a.m. 2:32 a.m. YouTube no go kill us. Okay, but we move. Now we are still on solving calculation on fundamental physics. Okay, and we are now in chapter 10. And chapter 10 is work, energy, and power. I have a full video on work, energy, and power. You can watch that. But here we are just here for just calculations, all right? So we're just solving few questions. I think we have just 5 questions here to solve. And if today is your first day of watching our video, we'll bring you videos on physics, maths, and chemistry, mainly university and secondary schools, all right? So if you're interested, just click the subscribe button and give this video a like and a comment so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. They say that a body of mass, they gave us the mass as 25 kg, okay, slice down a hill from an altitude of height. The height they gave me is what, 20 meters. Okay, they now say that the velocity is what, 15 meter per second. They now say at the bottom of the hill, now say calculate the loss of energy due to friction. Okay, energy loss is equal to what? Potential energy minus what? Kinetic energy, which is what? mgh minus half mv squared, which is what? My m is what? 25 times acceleration due to gravity is 10 times my height is 20 minus half times my m is 25 times my v 15 squared. So I'm having everything here is 5,000 minus uh 5,000 minus what do we have here? 15 squared 15 squared times 25 and divided by 2. So I'm having 2812.5. So if you subtract minus 5,000, so I'm going to have 2187.5 joules. Okay, so this is a very simple question. So move to question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 said a 0.5 kg mango falls from a height of 5 meters to the ground. Let's say if the pull of gravity on a mass of 1 kg is 10 newton. Okay, now say calculate the work done by gravity on the mango. Okay, solution. This is a very simple question. First of all, they gave us what did they give us? Let's bring out our parameters. The first thing they gave us is mass 0.5 kg. Okay, and then I gave us the height. The height is what? 5 meters. That 1 kg. They gave us that 1 kg. Okay, so the 5 kg should be x. So cross x will now be what? Times 10, which is 5 newton. You should know that what they say, calculate the work done. That work done is equal to what? Force times distance. Don't forget. And the force I have here is 5 newton times the distance is the height, which is 5. 5 times 5 will give you 25 joules. Very, very simple to calculate. We go to the next question. Question number 3. Okay. For question number 3, So question number 3. So question number 3 said one 1000 joules 1000 joules of work is done in moving a block a distance of 10 meters across across a level floor. Then I say calculate the force of the block. Okay, calculate the force of the block. Now this is very, very simple. Solution. What did they give us? They said that 1000 joules of work. So the work done is what? 1000 joules. Okay, then I say now we should calculate the force, a distance of 10 meters. So the height they gave us is what? 10 meters. We know that work done is equal to what? Force times distance. So this is 1000 is equal to the force F I'm looking for times the distance here is 10. So my F will now be what? 1000 divided by 10, which is what? 100 Newton. So this is very, very simple. We move to question number 4. Okay, I don't want to shout because people are sleeping. Question number 4. Question number 4 said if the earth exacts a force of 3 times 10 raised to the power 19 Newton on the moon, and the moon travels 2.5 times 10 raised to the power 10 meter each time it orbits the earth. Then I say how much work does earth do on the moon in each orbit. Okay, solution. Now this is very, very simple. Force times distance is the answer, and that is that. Force times distance is the result. So what do we do? Question number 4. So we know that work done is equal to force times distance, and the force is what? 3 times 10 raised to the power 19 times the distance 2.5 times 10 raised to the power 10. So 3 times 2.5. 3 times 2.5. I have 7.5. So 7.5 times 10 raised to the power 19 plus 10 according to indices. So I have 7.5 times 10 raised to the power 29 joules. Okay, so go to the last question here. The last but not the least question. Question number 5. Question number 5 here said how much mass is converted into energy per day in a nuclear power plant at a level of 100 megawatts. Okay, so this is very, very simple. We should have that solution. What did they give? They say how much watt. So my mass is not known. So but the time taken is per day. So is 1 day. And 1 day is something as saying 24 hours times 60 minutes times 60 seconds, which will give you, multiply that, 86400 sec. Okay, so what else was given? The power is given. So the power said 100 megawatts. 100 megawatts means 100 times 10 raised to the power 6 watts. Okay, so which is what? 10 raised to the power 8 watts. Okay, so now we know that what else was given. Okay, first of all, we know that power is equal to what? Energy, work done over time. Okay, so power is equal to work done over time. So let me get my work done. My work done is equal to what? The power times time. So which is what? My power is 10 raised to the power 8 times my time is 86400. So if you multiply that, you're going to have that my power, or energy, work done is same thing as energy. So my energy, or the work done, is equal to 8 what am I saying, 86400. Let me just put it as 10 raised to the power 8 joules. Okay, so now we know that our C, the voltage of light, the voltage of light, the voltage of light, let me call it C. Okay, my C is equal to what? 3.0 times 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. That is the voltage, the velocity of light, sorry, the velocity of light. But I know that my m is, the mass is equal to your energy over what? C squared. Okay, or in fact, you should know that work done is equal to what? Mc squared. Mc squared. Okay, or energy is equal to mc squared, anyone you like. So my work done is equal, so my m now will now be what? The work done all over my c squared, which is what? 86400 times 10 raised to the power 8 divided by my c is 3.0 times 10 raised to the power 8 squared. So do your calculation. 8 8 86400 times 10 raised to the power 8. Okay, now divided by 3, divided by another 3, divided by 10 raised to the power 8, divided by another 10 raised to the power 8. So I have 9.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 in what? In kilogram. So that is that for that. So I think that's the last question here. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.